Alrighty guys, welcome back to Cam's Creations. Today I'm going to be destroying this microwave. It's old, do not need it anymore, it broke. Hopefully I can get some useful parts out of this. So we're just going to be destroying the whole thing, throwing bricks at it, hammers, just like I said. I can barely wait. Okay, so first I'm going to go with the brake. And that was crazy. Okay, as you can see, that totally destroyed it. There's like a little layer of like tape on the back of that. I don't know if you can see that, and it like holds the pieces together. That is so weird. Anyway, it totally destroyed it. Here's the inside. I literally thought this was plastic, but it's not. I wonder if the button still works. What? That's what it looks like. Dang it, that is crazy. So we're going to be doing the brick again, and right here, see if we can dent the metal. As you can see, we actually made a hole in it. That was really bad. It totally took this whole piece off. Yeah, it took this whole entire piece of plastic off. Wow, that is bad. And it looks like, yeah, it took the door off, too. You can see right there, that's the exit wood. And right here, there's a piece of plastic on it. As you can see, it cracked it. And then this thing is just metal. Okay, so as you can see, I just ripped this piece off. Not much in it. There's a huge circuit board, which it looks like it obviously got cracked when we threw the brick at it. And this is, I don't know what this is. It looks like the other side of the circuit board. Yeah, this is some stuff I probably should not be touching without gloves, because this stuff can shock me. But right inside of there is all the electronics, and there's that piece right there is something you do not want to touch. And so is that metal piece right there in the background. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, right there. Looks like a tin can of sardines or something. That is something very dangerous, because even though it's not plugged in, it can still shock you, because it might have some electrical current still stocked up in it, or held up inside of it. So yeah, not much in it. We're just gonna keep destroying it. Okay, so as you can see, I totally destroyed it. Looks like the side paneling is actually cut off. As you can see, it's like wiggling that whole entire thing. So, we could easily have unscrewed it, but I didn't want to do that. So I'll be back to you, and hopefully I can salvage some parts. I'll show you those. Okay, so as you can see, here's all the damage. Unfortunately, I could not get the fan out that I wanted, but I did salvage this. I'll tell you about this in a second. So yeah, it's practically all destroyed. I did see a spark come off of that, but thankfully nothing bad happened. Hopefully eventually I can get that motor out, because I really want the drive shaft. But anyway, so here's the fan motor, which I did not really want, but one thing I noticed is huge bundle of copper wire. I didn't know where I could get it. I had a feel I could get it at a hardware store, but I didn't want to have to buy it. But the reason why I want it is because in a future video I was going to show you how to build an electromagnet. Yeah, an electromagnet. And I got this huge bundle of copper wire, and the more wire you have, the stronger it is. Because I saw some people picking up hammers and stuff. Like, it was really heavy stuff, and that's only if you have a lot of copper wire. So, in a future video, I will show you how to build that. Yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.